with this particular song, Hail, Ateneo, Hail.
So before we proceed to the next program,
we would like to call Alex, Mr. Alex, the owner of this place. Alex Semblano, for your message.
Walang problema. Walang may kakain na. By next year siguro, after 2 years, we will have another reunion, including the family na siguro ng lahat ng batch 69. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. In behalf of the batch 69, we welcome all the guests, our teachers, and the graduates of batch 69 for our first reunion since 1969. So hopefully, as we have discussed by the committee, we will form an officer for this year reunion, so that we are targeting to host the 2012 homecoming, alumni homecoming on December 30. So, I hope you will enjoy the night here in my resort. So, I welcome everybody, especially our teachers, Mr. Sinen Cabrera, Mr. De Castro, Mr. Aman, Ms. Baldeleon, Mrs. Calabia. Buti nakarating kayo. So, siguro po, by next year, we will be bigger, as we expected.
You mean sideways?
Do not forget to introduce your first lady.
My wife. So, sa lahat ng guests, enjoy the night. Okay? Thank you very much for coming.
Wala na yung leading lady. Baka hindi magkasundo.
thank you very much, Alex. How about the First Lady of Maria Paz? Would you like to say something? Okay. Sige po, bati na po kayo. Para malaki daw po ang discount.
Binabati ko po kayo ng magandang gabi. Kaming mag-asawa'y natutuwa at kayo nagsama-sama. Sana po, ang aking request sa kanya, next year kasama ang family para masaya. Yan lang po.
Sino may kasalanan?
Thank you very much, Mrs. Semblano.
Kayo may kasalanan.
Dinner daw po muna.
Kanina ko pa sinasabi mag-dinner na.
Yung batch 69, wala pa yung mga senior. meron tayong mga bisita dyan, pumunta ka. 69, malapit na. 2 years pa. Puro senior na yan. Mas rikto. Wala ito rikto.
Pero darating siya,
Wala ka na, pinagtatanong ko na. Naman, anong ginagawa mo sa Pablo?
Dito?
Yeah, lagi kita nakikita pero hindi ka sumasama sa amin.
Kasi nasa Bicol ako. Ano po yan?
Kaibigan mo taga St. Louis. Ano yan? Okay. St. Louis ba? O Kansas City?
Sa St. Louis.
St. Louis, yeah. Nakilala ko dahil vegetarian to. Ano yan, Toy? Dito ako spicy. Ano ito, Toy?
Chicken roll po.
Chicken roll, what's inside? Sige, sir. Sige, di bale. Sige, mag-apat na. Ano lang, Toy, hindi ako makain ng talong. Pwedeng kaya ko lang, ano, yan, pwede na yan. That's good.
Tama! Spicy beef. Yung malaman-laman.
Spicy or not?
Ay, wala pa. Sila. Hindi, may pagkalaman na pinapahay daw.
Ano yan? Salang.
So this time we will continue our informal program. Suggestion po ng ating mga classmates, meron po tayo ng group picture taking. So unahin po muna natin ang class 4A. Pare, 4A ako eh. Together with our beloved teachers. Alam nyo, we are very lucky kasi nagkita-kita ulit tayo together with our beloved teachers. Bihira pong mangyari ito, kaya Napakaganda po ng gabi ito. So, may I call on all 4A students. 4A. Unahin po natin ang 4A. Together with our beloved teachers. Picture taking po tayo.
Ilan sila? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Di ba kaswelo natin si Matt? Bakit naman kasama nila? Hindi, sama lang pa. Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, next is 4B.
H4.
4B.
H4.
Hello, hello. With all due respect to Section 4A, Section 4B is the best. Why? Because in our section is the best singer of the national anthem. It's a good thing no representative of the National Historical Institute is present tonight. Jacob sang the national anthem so well, the batch is going to pass a resolution tonight endorsing him to sing the national anthem in the next coming Manny Pacquiao fight.